Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And yesterday, my good friend Jeff brought me some more radios from his collection. And this is the tiniest, weirdest radio in the collection that he brought me. This is a Elgin 2400 AM radio. It's vintage of 1968. It was made by Sony, and he says it has good reception, and he paid $50 for it. It's in perfect condition. And it's got, look at this, check out this telescopic antenna. Oh, excuse me, correction, AM and FM. Yeah, there's the switch right there. And this is what's really crazy about it, or another thing that's crazy about it, besides me, is check this out. Look at the battery source. See that? Those are very large button batteries, 3 button batteries in a row. This thing is very, very hefty, very dense. He had it completely redone, so it plays like new. Nice little radio, fits in the palm of your hand, but it does feel heavy. They're quite heavy. Let's turn it on. Let me put the telescopic antenna up. Telescopic antenna is about a foot, about 12 inches. And we'll turn it on. Over here is the on-off volume, and then the tuning knob is right there. So let me turn it on.
Sell you something that's at least a 10-year contract. In some states, they can
That's
be
AM,
more than that,
I
but
believe.
the average is a 10-year contract.
Double check.
So when you sign on that dotted line, it's
Yep.
literally a 10-year commitment on your
AM.
part, and you have no idea what you're going to get moving forward. You know what they've told you
We'll tune it
you're going
now.
to get, but you don't know that that's true. And they have an incentive, in my opinion, in this perpetual single.
Yeah, try to see if it wants to face that way.
Then coated with a varnish. Over evilfilm.com. Experience the peace of mind the right
Little tinny.
insurance offers, and protect your family's future if something should happen to you. For less than $19 a month, a 40-year-old.
Okay, let's go to FM. We'll have to tune very quick. Okay, we're on FM. We're at the end of the dial band. Yeah, music. Turn the volume up. Music. Good reception. Having a little trouble tuning it in. It's quite heavy. Trying to stay away from music. Doesn't tune as good on FM as it does AM. I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios. And I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.